Vice Principal Sir and Ma'am, proud parents, teaching and non-teaching staff, and all my beloved students. I am Ms. Preeti Rani with my co-host
Miss Saujanya.
We are absolutely esteemed to welcome you all to this joyous occasion on behalf of Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha, Dubbaya Rajanna Shriram English Medium School Annual Day Celebration of the academic year 2025-26.
So get ready to be mesmerized by the vibrant colors, enchanting melodies, exceptional talent, hard work and captivating performances that await us. Let us embark on this unforgettable journey together. Beyond the books and the classroom walls, a rhythm rises, a passion calls. Watch as our stars take over the floor to give you a show like never before.
We have the honor of welcoming a true mentor and the legend of our school, honorable, distinguished personality who is recognized by her knowledge and wisdom. She is none other than our beloved Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Ajita Ajit Kumar Pillai, to come on the dais and welcome our today's guests. Parents to please be seated and be silent. All parents are requested to take your seats and to maintain silence.
Honorable trustees from Padmashali Sanstha, Srimati Sangeeta Indapure ma'am, Sri Gujjar sir, Sri Srinivas Jog sir, PTA Joint Secretary Srinivas sir, Mrs. Vijaya Gedam ma'am, my beloved students and their parents, my colleagues. I would like to extend a warm greetings to everybody because it is afternoon time. Since today, 2nd February, the first day, gathering day was there. I think the parents may be wondering this year why there is not any dice on the stage and there are not any dignitaries. It is because first day during the annual gathering of pre-primary, preschool, that is nursery, LKG, UKG gathering day, there were 18 dancers from pre-primary section. Those days there was grand inauguration and our annual social gathering, continuous 3 days gathering it is, including 1600 students performances and with the inauguration. First day, that is 2nd February, our annual gathering, social gathering and prize distribution day was inaugurated by Dr. P.M. Danchi sir, Principal, Dayanand College of Arts and Commerce. And one more important special guest was there that day as chief guest, that is Milind Kulkarni sir, Chief Executive Editor, Bailey Lokmat. From the hands of both two dignitaries that day, the inauguration function, it had been completed successfully. Those times there were the presence of trustee, our honorable Padmashali Sanstha honorable members were there. Sri Dasharat Gop sir, our honorable Kamdam sir was there, Sarkam sir was there. Those days the grand inauguration successfully it had happened. That is why there is no inauguration today. Yesterday there were nearly 29, including music show, 29 programs were there. Time was less, we got penalty, 5,000 rupees penalty we got. Today also nearly same number of programs are there. 29 programs are there. So time is very limited. That is why today there is no any film session program or any other program on the stage is scheduled prior to the dance program of the kids. Dear parents, I take this opportunity to thank Honorable Sanstha, Padmashali Shikshan Sanstha, because this is my 14th year journey with the kids. When I got school in my hand, nearly 400 students were there. And I got a building with even inside the classroom they were not common pursuits was not there. such a building to our journey started. Now this 14th year, we got another extension, new building. It's a very beautiful building with all the modern facilities for modern education. AI digital board connected classrooms are there, modern washrooms are there, students are frustrated with all the things. Even high school parents, to their your kind attention, let me say one more thing. We have kept 2 machines for girls kids, that is on the G1 floor, first floor, washroom. Girls are facilitated, that machine is already set to get a sanitary pad. If they put a 5 rupees coin, they can get a sanitary pad. So sanitary pad machine also set in the school, and at the same time sanitary disposal machine also. The used sanitary pad they can keep in a machine. It will be burned away at the soon. It will be at the instant time. It will burn. Such a machine also set for the girls of the school. So school is now going to function with all the modern facilities of for the students. For this great achievement, I owe to Sanstha. I miss my students and parents, everybody. Because the fees increment, that is not, because if we collect any fee, that its cost is not equal to the cost of the building construction. Crores of money Sanstha already spent for this construction. So for each pillar, for each brick, for each drop of cement for that beautiful building, I would like to express a big thank you on behalf of all students and each and every parent, on behalf of complete dear family. I would like to express a big thank you, a great gratitude towards Padmacharya Sanstha for this beautiful building. Always we will be grateful towards Padmacharya Sanstha for this precious gift. And to parents, high school parents, just 2 things I would like to say. Please take care of the health of every SMC meeting, every gathering. This is thing I emphasize because students are getting very irregular. This irregularity affects their studies. The first day there was prize distribution program. 7 students of SSC ranked. We always maintain 100% result in SSC examination. SSC 7 students were honored with the cash prize and award. And every classes, LKG to nursery to 9th standard, 3 divisions, first rank holders also, they also had received cash prize and award. And Ideal Student Award also declared, that is, no one got that award. That Ideal Student Award, it consists of 10,001 rupees and a memento. It means science, maths, history, geography out of 4 marks, and language, all the 3 languages, 95 marks. Who secure, they get Ideal Student Award. Unfortunately, no one was eligible for that award. But class-wise, 97, 96, 93% all the students, they received the award. And I would like to say, with great pride, the other achievement, that is, students, those who went for outside competition, they went for speech competition, they went for inter-school sports competition, including cricket, volleyball, whatever. Volleyball, just this time they have attended the thing, but they couldn't win the match. But rest all the sports items, students bagged many prizes. And exams, other exam, Tabla exam, just today sir told the result has come. All the students have A grade marks in Tabla. And Bharatanatyam also result, very few students this year, because high school students only sat for Bharatanatyam exam. All were having distinguished means A grade mark in Bharatanatyam exams. So the Bharatanatyam, guitar, Tabla, keyboard, these all the activities our school is conducting apart from sports. Sports teams are there. There are 3 volleyball teams. Football teams, including women football team we are having, volleyball team, and apart from cricket also so many, cricket students are, so many are there, so many teams are there. Girls teams also are there, boys teams also are there. So school is functioning with not only academically, school is functioning with the sports, arts, giving training to these all the things. So for the kind attention of the parents, I would like to say, your students not only academically they should participate in arts and sports too. School is giving all the facilities to students, and student has to use these facilities and come up with their good performance. And naturally, I would like to say time is very limited today. So let me say welcome to everybody. The honorable members from Spartans and Sisters. The first day many were there. Today I could see here always our function, our and good concert companion Sangeeta Ida Prema is there. Guja sir, Swapnil Sridham from Sridham family, and Mrs. Guja sir is there. Vijay Gaddamma, Srinivas Jog sir also one of the well-wisher of our school, sir presence also is there. So on behalf of all dear family, I would offer a hearty and warm welcome to all those mentioned dignitaries, all honorable members of Padma Celebrations and Service Function. And next I would like to offer welcome to my main pillars of the school, the parents. Your constant support and encouragement make me to to kick away all the obstacles on my way in the journey of academy. And I would like to offer a happy and proud welcome to all the parents of the school to this event today. And next my welcome goes to my beloved students. They are going to perform today. I offer a happy and what we say loving welcome to all my kids to this function. And I would like to welcome my colleagues. Without their support, their work, success of this program, it never be possible. And I offer a hearty and warm welcome to one and everybody those who present here today. Let me sum up, and I wish you all of a very lovely and beautiful day today ahead. Thank you so much.
ईश्वरनाट्य पूजितम् नमामि नमामि शङ्करपादवन्दितम् ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳ ನಾದ ತೋಂತನಂ ಪಾದಗಳ ಕುಣಿತಾಧೀಂತನಂ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ
which we are eagerly waiting for. Now I request our captains to come forward.
Class captain of 5th Shakespeare. Mr. Sanjay Rajput, class captain of 5th Shakespeare. I am Miss Namrata Kesh Patil, class captain of 5th Shakespeare. Can you feel the energy in there? The dance, chants and the vibrant colors. It can mean only one thing. Bappa is here. धरती गूंजती है, अंबर झूम जाता है. धरती गूंजती है, अंबर झूम जाता है. जब मेरे देवा का मेला पास आता है, कट जाते हैं सारे विघ्न, मिट जाता है हर गम. जब गूंजता है नारा गणपति बप्पा मोरया हरदम. I would like to call 5th Shakespeare class for presenting our Lord Ganpati Bappa. Please warmly welcome them to perform Ganpati dance choreographed by Master
जागा द्या. हा कार्यक्रम सर्व
Oh झोळी स्वागतीचा भारी बायको पाहिजे नखरेवाली मराठमोळी थोडीशी साधी भोळी स्वागतीचा भारी बायको पाहिजे नखरेवाली पाणी पाणी करते पोरही आता चुटवाली गावरान बोले त्यार थोडी माझ्या तळसाची चोरही थोडं माझं पिरमल पण तू गबाई खुड्या करत झालं मन तुझ्याच भाई आता मला लागली लग्नाची आई भाई आता बोलू छुप देखे आंखों में झाके है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू करता है कोई हाथ धरता है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू छुप देखे आंखों में झाके है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू मुझे बता जरा कहता क्या दिल तेरा इश्क का बाय बाय बाय
कुटुंबिनी भूरे कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते You are the one who is to give our योषिणि गिरिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय 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 महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
उमरी अवतरी रंगरूप हे विठ्ठल विठ्ठल माऊली इवरेच तिरी निज सुख हे विठ्ठल विठ्ठल माऊली युगे युगे विठ्ठलरी विठ्ठल जटावरी गंगावरी आला माझ प्राणा फिरवारी सावळा माझा राजा गजर झाला हरी विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय हरी विठ्ठल जय जय विठुमाऊली विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय हरी विठ्ठल माझी विठुमाऊली विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय हरी विठ्ठल जय जय विठुमाऊली विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय हरी विठ्ठल माझी विठुमाऊली
अरे वाह, आज तो माँ बेटे दोनों विठ्ठल की आरती में आए हैं। कुछ समय उस विठ्ठल को भूलकर घर परिवार में ध्यान दे दे तो आपकी बड़ी कृपा होगी। विठ्ठल भी तो हमारे परिवार का हिस्सा है। हाँ हाँ, तो परिवार के सारे सदस्यों से मिलने का समय बराबर बराबर बांटना चाहिए ना। देखो, इस विठ्ठल ने तुम्हें मेरी अर्धांगिनी के रूप में चुना और ये नन्हा बालक भी उसी विठ्ठल की ही देन है। हाँ हाँ, विठ्ठल की ही देन है। तो उसी विठ्ठल का प्रसाद समझकर कभी लीजिए ना अपने हाथों में, कभी अपने गोद में उठाकर खिलाइए ना इसको। यदि आप सारा लाड कर उस विठ्ठल पर ही नौछावर कर दोगे तो इस नन्हे विठ्ठल के हिस्से में क्या आएगा? ये गीली मिट्टी। विठ्ठल, अब तो ना विठ्ठल को आप ही संभालिए, मुझे कुएं से पानी लेने जाना है, ध्यान रखिएगा। आज अपने विठ्ठल के लिए मटका बनाऊंगा और प्रतिदिन उस मटके में पानी भर के अपने विठ्ठल को स्नान कराऊंगा।
आज भावावरी हप्त्याला जाणारा जाताना मागे तू फिरू नको उगाच सांडून खऱ्याची संगत खोट्याची धरू नको होणारा हप्त्याला जाणारा जाताना मागे तू फिरू नको उगाच सांडून खऱ्याची संगत खोट्याची धरू नको येईल दिवस तुझ्याही माणसाची गर सोडू नको तुझ्या हाती आहे डाव सारा सांग गजल कालची रे देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी देवा काळजी रे माझ्या देवा काळजी रे
धन्य है तू गोरा तूने इतनी कठिन परिस्थिति में भी अपने विठ्ठल का साथ नहीं छोड़ा तुझ जैसे भक्त पर हमें गर्व है तुम भी धन्य हो माते जो अपने पुत्र के लिए भगवान तक से लड़ने को तैयार हो गई जैसे शांति के लिए उसका पुत्र है वैसे ही मेरे लिए है और कोई अपने पुत्र को दुखी नहीं देख सकता मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूँ, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूँ। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी कह रहा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ। विज्ञान में और किसान में हूँ, हर वीर में और जवान में हूँ। मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ।
रग रग में जोश की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे। इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में। रोको न सपनों के तूफानों को, रोको न ख्वाबों की उड़ानों को, रोको न आंखों के निशानों को। आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे। जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां। जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां। रात की सुगंध भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी। मैं डर जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, सिर से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, खुद से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are tonight's entertainment.
जरा देख के चलो, आगे भी नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं भी नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ये भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ये भाई किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उठा, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उठा, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो ऐतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे को। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे को। तुझे के होठों को देकर अपने गीत, कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से बोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे को। ला 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 ला।
जापानी ये पतलू इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी। ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी।
जो नील समंदर है
girls like to swing.
लड़कों की उंगली पे नाचे है ज़माना, लड़कों की उंगली पे नाचे है ज़माना। सिंपल ये फंडा है पियो को बनाना, लूटे नहीं लुट जाए, जीते नहीं पट जाए, बुढ़िया है जेबों में रख ले, बुढ़िया नु ठग ले, ठग ले, बुढ़िया नु ठग ले, ठग ले, बुढ़िया नु ठग ले, ठग ले, ठग ले, ठग ले, ठग ले, बुढ़िया नु ठग ले, ठग ले, बुढ़िया नु ठग ले, ठग ले, बुढ़िया नु ठग ले, ठग ले, ठग ले, ठग ले, ठग ले।
लड़कों को लगता है इसे जीत जाना, लड़कों को लगता है इसे जीत जाना, इस बार उनको हरा के है देखा, बड़ी बड़ी आंखें हैं, यूं ही हवा फाके है, जेब भरी खाली है अकबे।
जितनी घास डालो तारीफें निकालो, उतने इनके भाव बढ़ते हैं। सोने की चाले, शहर माथ पे डाले, ये मजा मसाले के चकले।
साहेब, खूप सभेचे ना, खूप सभेचे ना.